we miss you. Hello. Hello. Asan ang mga blueberries? I'm not sure if may live yung event today. Hindi ako sure. Same mo na si Boss Nawat na may-ari ng I'm so excited. As in, nagulat ako. Pero ang saya. Anong liad? Shout out, hello. Really? Starbucks Kasiana? Saan yun? Bakit wala kang balak ng MUT? Hindi ko alam yung mga lugar. Saan yung Makapagal? Shout out from San Marcelino. Hello. Sorry, medyo madilim. Kasi madilim na. Paggabi na. Tsaka maulan. So, mabilis dumilim. Hi! Hello! Blueberries, where are you? Press 1. Ang random ng live na ito. Sa lawag. Oo nga eh. Hello. From my Atrium family, I love you guys. Miss you. Dadaan ako dyan pag nauwi akong Subic. As always. Parang gusto ka magpa-brown ng hair. Kung ano na naman naiisip sa buhok. Ayun, blueberry here. Asa sila, Chame? Chame, nasan kayo? Bakit Miss Liad? Mari Liad ka ulit? Bakit Liliad? Dinabalian pa ako ng buto. Hi! Wala pa ang mga labubo. Pauwi pa lang sila tomorrow. Tatry ko silang puntahan after ng contract signing. Did I announce it? I have a contract signing. Okay, hindi ko na lang sasabihin kung saan. Hindi ko pa pala na-announce. Hi, talaga. Tomorrow. So, today, may awarding sa Trinity University. I'm off to receive an award. So, I don't know kung may live sila. Pero, I'm so sorry, hindi ko siya ma-vlog. Hindi ko siya ma-videohan kasi super naipon na yung videos. Wala pa ako na-edit. Thank you. Ang dami ko pa kasing kailangan i-edit actually. May photos ako na need i-upload and video from yesterday's training and videos of my other trainees as well. And may gusto pa akong i-upload na video ni Dia, yung performance lang. So, ang dami kong need i-edit. But wala pa akong free time. May mga gift ako na kailangan ding i-send out sa mga designers ko. So, hindi ko na alam be. Tapos traffic na. Trinity University nag-aaral. Nandun ka? Oh, okay. Hi, Judea. Love you. Okay, I've been receiving a lot of comments. And yan, mga comment here to train Atisa. I am also a supporter. Of course, I support all the queens. But I respect her also kasi she have a trainee, guys. We need to respect her team as well. Okay? But if they would reach out or anything like that naman, we can. I mean, I am here to help also. To anyone. Because I'm training some Miss Universe Philippines candidates. So, because I believe she have a trainer also, of course. I believe it's Mommy Ian, so, di ba? Oo nga medyo napapaus ako. No, it's okay. Because there's been a lot of messages also and na asking me about it. But yeah, ayun. Alam ko Mommy Ian is her trainer. I respect that, of course. And I mean, they're just both amazing individuals. So. Hello. Excuse me. Ang palihad. Lihad. Ganun wala. Yun wala yun. Okay, alam ko na. Hello naman, Charles. Oh my God, di pa pala sarado yung ng damit ko. Wait lang. Baka dumating ako sa awarding ng ganun.